Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on the VIVO X300. So if you want to use your phone with one hand but you feel like it's too big and you can reach some of the sides, what you can do is enable one-handed mode. And to use this option, first we're going to enable it in the settings, and to do that we're going to go to settings and scroll down to accessibility and shortcuts and accessibility, and then scroll down to one-handed, and here we're going to enable access mini screen by gesture. And to enable one-handed mode, what we just do is from the edge of the screen we slide from left to right, so like this. There we go, and that's how you do it. So you just slide left right really quickly in about the middle of the screen, and maybe it works better if there isn't really like a sliding action. So there we go, and this is how you enable it. And now the phone fully works, and you can use it freely with one hand. You can even resize it a little by pressing this icon on the top left, so you can make it bigger. You can change the location of the screen, and you can do this. And to exit out of the mode, you can either press the X icon or just do the motion again. There we go. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.